Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 25th May 2025. Title of Murli. As well as giving teachings, also be forgiving and merciful. Give blessings and take blessings, and your home will become an ashram. Bap Dada said, if you keep in your awareness all the attainments and treasures that all of you children have received from the Father, you will become full. The Father gives the same treasures to everyone, no less or more. However, there is a difference in those who receive them. Some receive the treasures and enjoy eating and drinking and finish them. Some enjoy themselves and save a little, but some children use them in work and continue to increase them. Further, Baba explained an easy method of making effort. Give blessings to everyone from Amrit Vela onwards and receive blessings. Even if someone who is angry comes, you should give blessings to him as well. Giving blessings is a very easy instrument for making intense effort. If you give blessings to someone who curses you, you will never feel sad. If someone does not perform the right task, you may teach them, but the best method of giving teaching is to become an embodiment of forgiveness and then teach them. Finally, Baba said, remember two words, teaching and mercy. If you teach someone with compassion, your teaching will definitely work, otherwise you will listen with one ear and take it out from the other. If you teach with compassion, even a hard heart will change. Blessing for today. May you be a living light and lighthouse, who shows wandering souls their accurate destination. Details are: in order to show any wandering soul his accurate destination, become a living light and lighthouse. For this, pay attention to two things. First, recognize the desire of each soul. Just as a good doctor knows how to feel someone's pulse, in the same way, constantly use your power of discernment. Second, constantly keep with you the experience of all treasures. Always keep the aim not of having to tell people anything but of giving others the experience of all relationships and all powers. Slogan is, instead of correcting others, keep a good connection with the Father. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Adopt the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. Constantly keep your original and blessed form in your awareness, and all traces of impurity and forgetfulness will finish. Now, be ignorant of even the reasons for impurity and forgetfulness, because these forms and sanskars are not yours, but were those of your previous birth. You are now Brahmins, whereas those sanskars and that form belong to Shudras. To experience your form and sanskars to be those of someone else is known as being loving and detached.